At Jamaica Cottage Shop, we've got tiny living options to fit your needs and your budget. All options include authentic traditional rough sawn post and beam frame, color-coded and part-numbered pieces to match the plan specifications, necessary hardware for assembly, thorough, easy-to-follow DIY plans. Plan options include frame only, perfect for a modest budget. This option provides the bones of your cottage, shed, or cabin. Pre-cut post and beam frame, hardware, floor system or treated sills depending on your chosen plan. PCK, pre-cut kit. This is the most popular choice for a weather-tight shell. The PCK includes everything you need to complete your chosen design. Pre-cut post and beam frame, siding and roofing, millwork doors and windows, floor system or treated sills matching your design, hardware and DIY plans. 3-season. The best choice for a living space, the 3-season option prepares the building for interior finishing. Complete PCK kit. Vapor barrier, protecting against moisture, insects, and rodents. Insulated floor system. 4-season. This choice offers a turnkey solution for year-round comfort, no matter where you live. This includes everything the 3-season offers. Upgraded millwork with thermal pane doors and windows. High R-value roof and wall insulation. Kiln-dried pine interior sheathing. Fully assembled. Exclusive to the Northeastern USA, a fully assembled cottage can be delivered to your prepared site. Visit us at JamaicaCottageShop.com. Select the plan that's right for you and complete your purchase through our easy-to-use online portal. Start living your dream today.